Hello friends, welcome back. I was just looking here at the garden beans to see how long it would take for the beans to grow, and it says 7 to 14 days, and it's been 8 days. The science assistant ran off to go check for the beans to see if they started growing. Wait a minute. I see Lewis running towards us. It looks like he might have good news. What? What do you have to say? Oh my goodness! Lewis has stated that the beans have started to grow. We're gonna go check those out right now. Let's go. Well, let's go check out the plants. I let Lewis wear the science jacket today since he found out and discovered the plants. Let's go take a peek at the plants. I don't want to get in the way. It looks like we have some plants there. As you can see, we have 2 green ones growing. It's kind of hard to get to them. Excellent discovery, Lewis. Excellent discovery. So here I went up to 1A, the soil, and I didn't see any change. If you look at that picture, there's no change. And can't measure. There's nothing to measure. I went down to the magic pellet. I put down it's sprouted. It's green. And then any other descriptors that you can see for the magic pellet. I drew a small drawing here, and it's not measurable even though it's out of the ground, but I can't really measure it quite yet. Then 3A, the potting soil. So I'm going to draw a little square here. I'm going to draw a picture of what it looks like. It's kind of barely sprouted out right here, so I'm going to draw a little leaf there, it looks like. So I'm going to color that green. It's not quite as big, it seems, as the magic pellet, but the potting soil has a little bit. This is also not possible to measure yet, can't measure. And then our manure and compost, that also has some growth. I need to take a better look at that. That almost looks like it has a stem to it. So I'm gonna write for the descriptor, stem. Ooh, I forgot to add the potting soil one. I'm gonna say green and sprouted. Up here at the manure, I'm gonna put, has a stem. It's also green. I'm gonna draw a square to draw a picture of it. I kind of saw like a stem right here that you can kind of see. Then it kind of has the leaf here. Kind of the leaf. It looks like it's gonna come up, like this part's gonna bend upward, which is pretty cool. It's not measurable yet though, but we can definitely see it in there. And this is the soil around it. Can't measure yet. 5A, the pebbles, I saw no change. It just looks like a bunch of pebbles, and centimeters can't measure. Can't measure yet. And then finally we have the potting soil manure combo. This is the one that I thought was gonna take off, but this has no change. And can't measure it yet. Well, that wraps it up, friends. Hopefully you got your drawings done in the journals and you were able to update your journals. Lewis and I will be taking photos this weekend in some video, and then we'll show that to you on Monday. And I think we might be able to do some measurements pretty soon. And maybe some of the other podrents of dirt will also maybe have a seedling or two sprout up. Have a fantastic weekend. I'll see you on Monday.